Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss another warning letter. This warning letter is about the unofficial SPLC injections share and shared common login. This warning letter issued to Tender Corporation and published in July 23 in 2020. The Tender Corporation is the OTC drug distributors have been inspect these there in November 25 to November 25, 12th November 2019. If the investigator observed a specific violation of current food manufacturing practice, the API said that quality system does not adequately ensure the accuracy and integrity of the data to support the safety and effectiveness and quality of the drug manufacturers. And it's remarked that they have the same observation in 2016 and 2018 in June. So unofficial spells injections. There they have some safety inspector sees that there is an unofficial injection and unofficial sample injection is not acceptable, is strictly prohibited. So all data must be complete, accurate, and retainable to enable the appropriate assessment. Common login and passwords for IRS spectrometer. And password sharing is strictly prohibited. Also, there the company failed to have the proper controls in place of prevent unauthorized manipulation of laboratory electronic raw data. According to the FBI, laboratory employees shared common login and password to access infrared systems. In response to the warning, the FDA asked the company to specify all user roles and associated user privilege for all the staff levels who have accessed this laboratory computer systems. The test methods are not appropriate for their intended use. And another one is no adequate investigation in the drug product complaints. That means lack of adequate investigation into the drug complaints. And another is unapproved new drug misbranding violations. Then, in conclusions, FDA recommended an engaging consultant to assist the firm in meeting CGMP requirements.